I'm on my way to Cairns. I've just had a look around and I don't know, I've seen this place called Babinda Boulders or something like that, Babinda Boulders. So I'm just going to go to that. It's a free camp spot, looks pretty nice. I don't really care where I'm sleeping, where I stay. I'm not looking for points of interest and that sort of thing on this trip. When I get past Cairns and I start going up into the Cape, that's when I want to get my cameras on. Farewell to Babinda Boulders. I'm just leaving there now. I'm going to head over to Cairns and then I'll go up to Cooktown. Yeah.